A toy factory manufactured 52,253 toys in January, 50,375 toys in February, and 608,368 toys in March. How many toys were manufactured in total? So, let's start by adding these numbers together. So we'll put down 52,253 plus 50,375 plus 608,368. So what you might have noticed here is that I lined up all the numbers according to their place values. So let's start. 3 plus 5 is 8, plus 8 is 16. We're going to have to regroup the 16 like this. 1 plus 5 is 6, plus 7 is 13. 13 plus 6 is 19. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 3 is 6, plus 3 is 9. 2 plus 0 is 2, plus 8 is 10. 1 plus 5 is 6, plus 5 is 11. And for the last column, 1 plus 6 is 7. So our final answer is 710,996 toys.